So here we are with Crunchy Time with Roxy. You're not Roxy. Who are you, gorgeous thing? Mwah. You are Miss Nutmeg, aka Pony Supreme, aka Grandma. Yes. What do you think? Nom, 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 nom. All right. We got a peppermint for you. Would you like that? Oh, yes, please. Crunchy. Oh, that's good stuff. What do you think, Miss Queenie? You're at least in your correct room. So that kind of tells us where Miss Roxy is, doesn't it? Oh, these two fighting over there. They're funny. Mwah. You're like, I give you kisses. Yes, I know, my beautiful girl. I love your cute nose. Yes. One more apple treat. And then a peppermint for you, my sweets. Yes. Oh. Oh, yes. Good crunchies. Good crunchies, huh? Mwah. Thank you. It's like, why? Look at those mayor ears. Oh, he's so mad. Why is she across from me? Huh? Yeah, I'm making fun of you guys because you two are hilarious. You two are hilarious. What do you think, sir? No, no, no. Stick in your ears. Crunchy onion. You gonna give kisses? Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. You psycho girl. Mwah. Kisses. Like, I give chew. Chew, girlfriend. No, you can't have the microphone. Goofball. No, 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 no. Slow down. You're like a kid on Halloween. Yes, you just cannot chill. It's not my fault that you decided to be Meg. Goofball. You are a goofball. Running all kinds of craziness. And I have kisses. I know. Nom, 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 nom. Yes, I know. But you are not Nutmeg. You are the Roxy. You are the Prego. Yes. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Such a pretty girl. Absolutely silly. You silly girl. Say goodbye. Thank you.